What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video we're with the 2000 VX Calais, and we are going to replace the keypad that you see in front of you. Off camera, I've already installed the brand new keypad on this with the original key that come with my other keypad, which you can see are attached to my normal keys. Ladies and gentlemen, all you need to do is put this keypad on. You'll have a plug under the car, which this little guy goes onto. The part number for that little guy is KF200 and the keypad is KF204. Once you install this, as you can see, once I grab it again, the keypad does not work on the car due to the fact that it's not programmed. So what you need to do is grab your key, shove it into the ignition and turn the key. As you can see, the car won't start as the key is not programmed. So grab your little device and plug it into the car. Now she's beeping orange. So orange, orange, orange. Now she's green. So once it's green, it means the key's been programmed. So switch the key off. Pull the mechanism off and the car should magically work. So let's have a look. Just keep an eye on the locks, guys. I don't know if you can see it with the sunshine. Where's the lock? There it is. So new keypad. There you go. And deadlock. And unlocks. And locks. And the magic thing is to see if it starts. And there you go, guys, car is running. I hope that has helped you in any way. Please like, share and subscribe if you haven't already done so. You can get these parts from Super Cheap Auto, and it only took me a matter of 3 to 4 minutes to get it done. Thanks for watching and hope to see you again very soon. Until next time, stay safe out there and bye for now.